Today, I'll be showing you how to make a Japanese traditional hotpot dish, sukiyaki. It's super simple, just to use this sukiyaki sauce. So, let's get started with shopping. Oh, I forgot to introduce myself, Kotaro. I'm shopping at Meat Moritaya, a local grocery store that is popular, especially in Kyoto. As the name suggests, they sell especially fresh and tasty meat. Let's start in the vegetable section. First, this is essential for sukiyaki. Chinese cabbage. Then comes my favorite ingredient in sukiyaki, maitake mushroom. Just like Chinese cabbage, here's another essential ingredient for sukiyaki. Lastly, in the vegetable section we have scallion. That's it for the veggies. Let's head to the meat section. They have various kinds of fresh meat for shabu-shabu, sukiyaki, and more. So many choices. I can't decide which meat to get for sukiyaki. It's a bit pricey, but today I treat myself to this one. Sukiyaki beef. And I grab a piece of taro. This is free. Last, the sauce section. The sauce plays an essential role in making sukiyaki. Sukiyaki sauce. The total price was around 2,000 yen. Here's what I bought at the grocery store. I show you how to cut vegetables used in sukiyaki. First, Chinese cabbage. Separate the leaves from the core. Since I'm cooking just for myself today, I'll use both 3 leaves. Then cut the leaves into pieces about 3 to 4 centimeters long. Chinese cabbage is ready. Next, scallion. I personally don't like the green part of the scallion, so I won't use it this time. Cut the white part of the scallion diagonally into pieces about 3 centimeters long. The diagonal cut looks nice. The scallion is ready. And lastly, maitake mushroom. Cut off the base of the maitake mushroom. Separate the maitake mushroom into small pieces by hand. Maitake mushroom is ready, and beef is ready. Now, time to start cooking sukiyaki. Grease the sukiyaki pan with taro. This adds rich flavor to the entire dish. Once the taro has melted and coated the pan, add some slices of beef and sear them lightly. Don't ever cook. It's just fine once the beef turns its color. Then add the vegetables I cut: Chinese cabbage, scallion, and maitake mushroom. Finally, pour the sukiyaki sauce and let everything boil together. It's all set. Time to eat. Crack a raw egg into a small bowl. Lightly beat the egg with chopsticks until it's smooth. This is a traditional way to eat sukiyaki in Japan. Now take a slice of beef and vegetables from the pot. This is so good. The sweet and savory sauce matches the marbled beef and vegetables. I can't stop eating. Kotaro is looking at me eating. I'm so sorry, Kotaro. There is nothing in sukiyaki that is safe for you to eat. I added some extra vegetables because I love them in sukiyaki. Beef and maitake mushroom are my favorite combinations. Kotaro keeps watching me eating. So I grabbed a tomato for Kotaro. I peeled the tomato before giving it to Kotaro. This is how we enjoy dinner. Thank you for watching.